Hello everyone, dear viewers. In this episode, I'll be setting up the 6 reference poses for Kinich playing the piano and recording them. These 6 poses were already covered in the chapter introducing our principles. Once the 6 poses are recorded, they can be used as a baseline to calculate various playing states. When doing this, we need to use this area of the add-on. Here you can select the left or right hand state, whether pressing black or white keys, and whether currently playing in the high, middle, or low register. Also, after pausing each position, we click Set, and it will save the current state. Of course, if you click Load, it will load the corresponding state. After all poses are set up, we also need to update the position values of the 6 reference states and the keyboard attribute values. Alright, without further ado, let's get started now. We usually start from the middle position, black or white key state. Okay, the first pose is done. Let me mention a few key points. In the middle position, we want the palm position to align with the shoulder position, like this. Then we need to adjust the bending direction of the arm. Additionally, every finger must be on the black key plane. What is the black key plane? Let's take a look. This is the black key plane. Every finger is on it. When fingers move on the black key plane, they won't clip through. That's a requirement. We also need to adjust the head height to make the upper body look natural. Now the pose for the black key state is set. All fingers, especially the thumb, need to reach past the black keys. Now that the middle black key position is done, let's set up the white key state. This will be much simpler. Just place it here. Of course, we'll also adjust the head position. The head needs to be slightly further back. This is the white key state. Next, let's set up the high register. High register, black key position. Okay, this is the state for playing the high register black keys. Make sure every finger can reach past the black key line. Then we pull it back a bit to get the white key state. Adjust to here. Of course, the head position also needs to be adjusted accordingly, moving it back a little. Next, let's set up the low register position. Let's go back to the middle position first as a transition. Then let's set up the low register black key state. Okay, this is the low register black key state. Let's move it outward a bit more. And it becomes the white key state. Just make sure the thumb, or the pinky on this hand, reaches the white key position. Of course, the head position also needs to be moved slightly. Okay, all 6 poses are set up. Now we need to record the middle finger positions for the 6 poses. Let's start from the low register. The lowest note is 21. So, this is 22. The middle here is 23. Let's confirm this position is 23. Middle finger position is 23. The leftmost note, this should be 23. Now let's look at the right hand at this point. 21, 22 plus 12, that's 34. Here, it's 46, 47, 48. So at this point, the middle finger is around position 48. Let me change it here. Now let's go back to the middle state. Let's keep counting. 21, 22, 34, 46. 58, counting back, 58 to 53. This should be position 53. Let's continue counting. Here is 58. Here is 70, 71 to 76. This middle finger position is 76. Now let's look at the high register state. For the high register, let's count backwards. The end of the keyboard is 108. So, this is 107. Let's record that as 107. The highest note is 108. Let me change it here. 108, 107, 106. This black key is 106. Here is 94. Here is 82. So, this is 83. The middle finger position is roughly here. So let's change this to 83. Okay, the lowest note on the whole keyboard is 21. And the highest note is 108. The single hand span is usually set to 12, which is 12 semitones for an average person on the piano, unless we design a player with particularly large hands. Then it could be changed to 14. But generally, setting it to 12 is fine. Okay. So we've completed the task for this episode. Thank you for watching.